Edo Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, don carry waka visit to the People's Democratic Party (PDP) stakeholders for PDP Secretariat Administrative Headquarters for Uromi, Esan North East Local Government. Oga Shaibu wey tok to leaders and members of the party come throw salute to Edo Central PDP leaders and say him na grassroots politician wey understand wetin leaders of the party need wey go move the party to the next level. And say he no go be governor wey go only remember him people or give them political appointment when election don come. He come still talk say PDP na leadership party and say late Chief Tony Anenih na great leader wey dem no go fit compare him legacy, and say if na the time of Chief Tony Anenih wey katakata dey between governor and him deputy, late chief go settle them and everything go dey move fine, sake of say dat na the importance of leadership, and say Comrade Shaibu na the Esan agenda candidate and the 100% homeboy.
Missing our leader, Chief Tony Anenih. If he was alive today, the kind of politics that we are now playing, I'm not sure we'll be playing it. Before now, we'll have already know the direction of the party, because God gave him that wisdom, gave him that gift of organization. God gave him that direction on how to govern, mobilize, and guide all of us. Even when some feel it's not supposed to be the way, he has a way of calming nerves, and all of us will follow. And when I was exchanging pleasantly, almost 90% of everyone that is here, I have one-on-one relationship with us. I know our name, I can relate with each other, and you know my name and you know me. Just as a grassroots politician, my leader in my village does not know, he doesn't care who is governor, he doesn't need that ID card. I'm a board member of Produce, I'm a board member of Water Board, I'm a board member of just name it, Environmental, I'm a board member of that. How much are they paying for it? 20,000, 25,000. That is not what he's interested in. What he's interested in is that ID card. And that ID card is what the party needs to sustain itself. How? It takes you to be a politician, a grassroots politician, to know that that ID card is more important than the ID card of the commissioner. But it takes you to be a politician to understand that. Outsiders will not know that. So when I say we need to take our party back, that is what I'm talking about. If we say we want to take our government back, that's what I'm talking about. We have experimented. They say we are thieves, politicians. But you cannot be what you are in government, political government, without the politician. So I will not be a governor that will only recognize you only when election is coming. I will not be a governor that will only recognize you and give you slots to bring SA, SSA only when election has come. I will not be that. I will not. I will not. PDP is a leadership party. I'm bringing back leadership, because those that are destroying leadership are having headache now. They are going on their knees. We are passing ourselves on the road now. We don't need that. And that is why I started with Chief Tony Anenih of blessed memory. We didn't need to be doing that. But that time, leaders will meet. The one will come home, we will call all of you, key caucus, you take a decision. That decision is binding. That is what is party. When there is crisis between deputy and governor, and why we come down, he will call caucus. What is the problem? He will resolve it, and he will go back, and everything is moving. That is the importance of leadership, and that's why they call PDP party of leadership. And whether you like it or not, there are certain contracts that all of us know. These contracts are for leaders. We know. It's not written in the constitution, but we know. We know that this contract and this one are for leaders. We know. But it takes you to be a politician, to be graduate politician, to know this. Among all the aspirants, I am the Esan candidate by the grace of God, because I am the original old boy. So the SR agenda is me. Philip Shaibu is the SR agenda, because I am the SR boy that will come and fix our problem in SR. I'm the SR agenda that will fix in Edo North. I'm the SR agenda that will fix Edo South. Because there's no bridge from Umode to Jetu. So for Jetu to be good, I must fix the road in SR land. I will not be a governor that will be hostile to people that will help our state. If it means me kneeling down for my people, I will go and kneel down there. Forget governor, this is a governor, forget. So far, I get my state working. We will do it so that we can get our state working. So I want to assure all of you that a vote for me, a nomination for me, is a nomination for a governor that will fix Esa land. A nomination for me is a nomination that will fix Edo South and Edo North. You need a rugged, dogged, a man that cannot, a rugged, dogged man. You need a rugged, dogged man, a man that can look at anybody eyeball to eyeball and say, this is what it will be. You don't need a man that will lead from the back. You need a man that will lead from the front to confront those that will want to stop us from being Osadebe next year. As deputy governor, all the positions, all the assignments have been given by the governor. Check them. They are the flagship of this administration. The most flashed program that we have had in this administration is sports. We took sport from zero level. Now, sports is now known, not only in Nigeria, but internationally. Edo has become a hub of sports in Nigeria.
Archbishop Anthony Okosu, wey talk on behalf of the PDP stakeholders, come salute to Deputy Governor's political credentials and say he na really party man, sake of say he wants the betterment of PDP.
In fact, when you were speaking, I used to be a teacher in the secondary school with the red Bible. I marked you pass and attracted the most. Some politicians, when they go out on campaign, they castigate characters. Rather, you went to issue-based politics. Thank you for doing that. Your credentials are correct, perfect, and very good. But as a clergyman and a student, I beg you, first and foremost, you are already a Christian. Be very close to God. Power cometh from above. I also love you and appreciate you for one thing. You are in PDP. Many people that have not gone through the water roads you went through have all left PDP. But you are still there because you want PDP to survive. And you are in a PDP secretariat now, not in APC secretariat, not in Labour secretariat. This is a family affair. Thank you for staying in PDP. If Shaibu there, we are no longer orphans, we are no longer slaves. Take our message there. As an aspirant, our prayers are with you. We will pray with you. God will see you through. You will be there. Or carry our tears to the government house.
They can't offer prayers for Comrade Shaibu.
Money Nigeria there. Carry is a provide. Actually, Shaibu other than the Romo tourist. Only Romo has everywhere. People whatever kind of spend what I must what don't look on somebody very well. Who will be a man and a rabbit. You don't be kind of words and a movie on the money soup. Somebody gave out to do good work one. What I mean, not most million. Somebody on motor moku. Elmi Sunday Runa Rika, Eda work way. Ola Zeri Naso Dami. Eda work, Ebu work one. ọsẹ bọkú ìrẹ miere ẹlẹmi miere azẹ miere oso miere wa kakere miere wa kakpọdọ miere bíkádà mi ẹwà kìsẹ́bẹ̀ ní wàyé mario wà kìsẹ́bẹ̀ ní wàyé mario wà kìsẹ́bẹ̀ ní Shaibu wàyé mario.
Make una no forget say as we see am na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From East and North East Local Government, Edo State, Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.